down in my radio. Hello, Keystone Boss 817 Mobile is right back.
Yeah, right back right now. Hey, it sounded real good and a wonderful real sound. Right there, right back right now. Hey, 817, pull it down the air. I gotta get the hell right here. I want my good friend, 459, Keystone Boss, on my ground, on my shine. I'ma get yours. You wanna get yours? Like I'ma get mine. I'm going.
Right there. Here I come, Keystone Boss. Hey, Keystone Boss 817 says, here I come, right there. Well, you put it right where I can get it out there, no doubt about it. Take it, Keystone Boss 817. Keystone Boss 817 Mobile gone.
Oh, good copy. 817, Keystone Boss gone. In New York to give everybody else a chance. I don't hear nobody keying up, so I'll get long-winded. Oh, okay, boss. Good day. I see you.
Hey, Keystone Boss, I hear them jumping up and down out there around New York City, man. I hear they can't think of say getting long-winded out there. They get Keystone Boss 817 6-Pill Mobile coming out of Arizona. Aloha.
Them boys say they don't want us staying too long. 817, they don't want us staying too long, so I'm going to keep it moving. 6-Pill Mobile is smoking. Tell your uncle up there in Hawaii I said hello. 817 459. Okay.
Contact 459. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, he'll be out there in a short bit, man. You should be hearing him out there because I don't get his Mother Nature till late in the afternoon. So you're going to hear him first before me. But I'll keep your 5 alive. Take it, 459 817 Mobile gone.
Yeah. I can point right over your right shoulder, right behind you. I can point right behind you and usually get him there in the mini grass. I see you.
Check. I'll be listening.
Then so.
What happened to everybody up there around New York City that are jumping up and down? 817 Mobile, try to wave. Hello up there around New York City, 817 Mobile gone.
I got an 817. Can you say Pantie Snatcher? 817, old Pantie Snatcher, Pennsylvania.
Pantie Snatcher, I can say Pantie Snatcher. Hello, Pantie Snatcher, 817. Hello, Pantie Snatcher, 817 Mobile, come on down. Bye, Pantie Snatcher. Hello, Black Tornado. Good morning. Bye, Pantie Snatcher. Hello, Black Tornado. You come out of nowhere, man. What you doing in my radio? Black Tornado 817 Mobile in Arizona. Come on down.
Hey, you sounded real good around New Jersey coming out of Arizona, 817. And we heard you calling somebody in New York. Black Tornado, downtown capital city, New Jersey, 817. Black Tornado back out.
Got it all. Black Tornado out there in the capital city right there. Black Tornado in the capital city right there. Well, you got it in my radio in fine style. Hello, Black Tornado 817 Mobile. Take a ride. Bye.
Hey, right. Okey dokey, mighty fine 817. You got that Mobile smoking in the garden. That's what Duck Plug is showing. Black Tornado downtown New Jersey, 817. Black Tornado said, goodbye. Hope you take care. Now, bye-bye.
Contact. You sound like a loco out there, man. Hey, Black Tornado, you sound like a loco out there in my radio. Take it, Black Tornado. Have a good day. Black Tornado 817 Mobile in Arizona. Back reading your mail now.
Hey, we appreciate that, man. Who is that Mobile around Arizona? 817. Who is that Mobile around Arizona? 025, shut around Baltimore, this baby driver. Hello, around Arizona in a Mobile 25, 7 around Baltimore, Maryland. Got down.
257 Baltimore, Maryland 817 Mobile. Try to put it right back. 257 257 817. Try to put it right back. Hello, 257 817 Mobile. Right back in Baltimore. They break.
You right back in Baltimore like you got real estate. 817. 817. You right back in Baltimore like you got real estate. Hello, 817. 817 with the real estate round Baltimore. 25-7 on his number 2 driver. Getting there.
Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. 25.7, here I come again. 825.7, here I come again. While you put it right back where I can get it. Hello, 25.7, 817 Mobile. Say you owning real estate too out here. Come on.
Somebody on that 817, I'm just trying to ride the wave. Hey, 817, I'm just trying to ride the wave with Mother Nature on his number 2 driver. But 817, you keep on doing what you always doing in that Mobile around Baltimore, Maryland. You smoking out there around Arizona. 817, you're 25.7. You're 25.7 on this little small baby steel tube is getting on down.
Yeah, I got a Watergate rolling out there, so I'm going to upload it to YouTube when I go home out there, man. I'm not rolling live today, right now, because the connection not too good. So I'm rolling live on the video right now. So I'll upload your Watergate. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe out there, 25.7. I'll upload your Watergate to YouTube, 25.7, 817 Mobile Gun.
Jeremiah, what's your YouTube page, 817? What's your YouTube web page that I can go to that break?
Go to 817. Go to 817 Old Man Fuji. Go to 817 Old Man Fuji out there on YouTube. They break.
Jeremiah, on that 817, I do it just that way. Hey, 817, I do it just that way. Old Man Fuji, 817, Arizona. Put it on you later. Oh, 25.7 uptown Baltimore. This number 2 driver is getting on down.
And you're going to like what you hear, man. Give me time to upload it, man. I got to connect it to my computer, and then I'll upload your Watergate out there. But I got it rolling, so I saved this one. You on Watergate number 2. You on Watergate number 2 out there, 25.7, 817 Mobile Gun.